cinnamon tea has been a beloved beverage for centuries, and for good reason. Here are some of the impressive health benefits of cinnamon tea. 1. Antioxidant powerhouse. Cinnamon tea is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against free radicals and oxidative stress. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. 3. Blood sugar control. Cinnamon tea has been shown to have a potential role in regulating blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. 4. Heart health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in cinnamon tea may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 5. Digestive health. Cinnamon tea has natural anti-inflammatory properties that may help soothe digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. 6. Immune system booster. Cinnamon tea contains immune-boosting compounds that may help protect against infections and diseases. 7. Anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that cinnamon tea may have anti-cancer properties, although more research is needed to confirm this. 8. Menstrual relief. Cinnamon tea has been traditionally used to ease menstrual cramps, bloating, and other symptoms associated with PMS. 9. Respiratory health. Cinnamon tea may help alleviate respiratory issues like coughs, colds, and congestion due to its natural anti-inflammatory properties. 10. Mental health benefits. The aroma of cinnamon tea may have a calming effect on the mind and body, reducing stress and anxiety. To make the most of these benefits, it's recommended to use high-quality Ceylon cinnamon sticks or powder. Steep the tea for 5 to 7 minutes to release the active compounds. Consume 1 to 2 cups per day. Combine with a healthy diet and lifestyle for optimal benefits. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before using cinnamon tea for medicinal purposes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.